What's up, Renezo Mr. Nation, and Latuma players. Welcome to the Nay Full Podcast Players Edition. We are coming at you live at the blog, Electronic Solutions. And if you want to use these podcasting studios, you can send your email at admin@electronicsol.com. On my left, this is my left. On my left, we've got Baby Obuhle Sibu, all the way from Tanzania fam. What's the name of your show?
Youth Cartel, 12 to 3. Just before
Every day?
show. No, Fridays.
Fridays. Okay. On my right, we have Endle Cats, Gatsiga, from A Vibe and Okat.
Oh! Why is it cat? Why is it cat?
Cat.
I said cat, but yeah.
Ukono esabanitsi kokufani yakhe. So yeah. Endle Cat, Gatsiga. Bana isituko sakho?
Dingumamgcina utyhopho unonkwindla uncancashe period.
Yo, Mamthile ke lo uzaxela londo. Umbuzo isituko sakho Mamthile.
Ebuthileni apho kwakuthe khona.
Hey, bengicinga fanele base siduko samanyani.
Asisiduko samanyani, akafuna usichaza isituko sakho.
Hey.
Jolnkoma guys.
Mangwani. Mpango.
Wakona?
No, uzalana nechomi yami.
Ba.
Buhle.
Oh, Ngima uMamchaw.
No.
Gigi.
Okay, so let me read this. Mr. Stetilo must right. Okay, do we assume it's another week?
No man, just
The same clothes.
welcome to the episode, guys.
Sithandile mososibasha.
And it's all black.
Black maybe.
We are starting off with this story. I think read it yourself, man. Yes. Yeah. She's
Great
got that voice.
Ndongo.
Oh, askis.
Later.
Okay, so Iti, hello, lovely funny chef. Yes, I have been to prison, got sentenced to 8 years. My former friend came with a stolen car, telling me he bought it, and he gave me the keys to test drive. It was Gold 5 GTI, Gandhi, it was stolen. We got stopped by the private security company and he said, it's my car, right? He testified against me in court and I did 8 years inside for a stolen car. I lost my job. I was working for Ekurhuleni municipality. I lost my car, my house, and my wife. So basically, lo mfana uhleli iminyaka 8 e-prison because i-former friend yakhe yamnikeza izitixo zemoto ebiweyo. Amiswa yi-private security company. Wathi my friend, hayi yekamjita.
Luqhubayo.
Yekamjita. Wabhandinda for 8 years for imoto ebiweyo. Lahlekelwa ngomsebenzi, wayesebenza kwamasipala, moto yakhe gone, indlu yakhe no wife gone.
Thoughts?
I'm happy that he is a former friend because what the hell?
Yo.
Also too, why uthanda uqhuba? Like amadoda ayithanda la
Hey,
loqhuba imoto zabantu.
bethunana.
Ufike futhi umntu uzenza steering.
Funa uyiva kaloku.
Like upholile, i-test drive apha
Yes,
ereni,
uze
suthe
nenye.
uhambe i-distance. Bayayithanda laa nto. And kwasoloko lo uqhuba, labona lo uyichomi.
Guys.
The person who owns the car is always so chilled. Could be in the back seat.
Yeah.
Doesn't care about anything. But the one driving is the one catcalling.
Oh.
Is the one feeling himself. Utaphatha isitixo akasifake empokothweni.
Yes, imagine abantu kanjani xa noba nemoto
Stop driving
enje.
people's cars.
Yes.
Guys.
But okay, that's the only thing you took wena from all of this.
No, but he advice about
Yeah,
Stop
Unyansi,
driving
Unyansi.
people's car unless it's
Soyiqhuba imoto yomntu.
important. It's important and you need to. Like your friend cannot drive the car himself because obviously there's something. And even then chances are you sent a message, ba yela ngicela ungiqhubise imoto and then phone after. So if ubanjiwe and that happened, you can be like, no, I actually
Sure.
hurt this car. But uveske uqhube because
And amajita ayayenza la we yo andiniwe mina mfethu jolole ngesitixo na uyangena.
uyayibona nale GTI ba ayikhonja.
Yo.
Umjita wakho akanamali inkwambunqa.
Velaphi le GTI?
So ngothuka kanti nge-GTI.
You work hard.
Okay. On the valley.
I need you to come with me.
Yeah, but I'm not a condon.
Yeah.
As long as I'm up from point A
Sure.
to point B.
So that's-
doesn't matter.
that's
Quandam, nobody gonna quandam. I wouldn't mind.
Cambry,
Ngihamba ngayo every
Tez,
day.
same.
Yeah. I don't think
Sprinter
but amantombazana kuthiwa ayayithanda imoto and bayamsense umuntu obolekiweyo nomuntu wamanyana onemoto noba unxiba ushoti otheni
I don't
na
think girls actually care.
I shame naman katali
If
hey.
you've got a car, because a lot of the times it's just like, oh, hola mfana uqhuba imoto, and akazotayo yake. You can't sense that. You can't pick it up.
or they just love imoto
They
nje.
just love imoto.
No, oh.
A lot of guys actually do that. You meet umntu kwa Jeff qhuba imoto. Uyabo untswamba nigoduke xa usithi efonini.
Hey.
Izothathwa le moto ekseni. Uyabo qhuba iMercedes AMG.
irongo loo nto uyitsho nalangomaka he asanda
I mean, when you irongo for me, particularly on the girl side, right? If your assumption is just because a guy was driving a car, it's his car, and you want him because he drove that car, then for me that's problematic, right? I can't fault the guy because just qhubela imoto kandithi
kandizibalkandithi
hela
Yeah.
ndiplita ngemoto xa ndithi
Sure.
ndifuna wena
Wena
masikhwele
uconvincwe
emotweni
yimoto.
kandithi khwele emotweni yam okanye emotweni yam because in that moment it's my property, right?
hence
Uhamba ngemoto,
wayebanjiwe ke yena because in that moment he was
Yeah.
the driver so he was in possession.
yes, even the cops xa befika emzini, they take everyone there if cookie drugs.
Yeah.
Yayoyixoxa phambili baze zikaba.
But let's stick to the story now.
Sure.
What are your thoughts when? Yeah, and your thoughts. Do not touch motors of one.
Subamba imoto yomuntu. Okay. I-take yami mna. I'm sure ukhona umuntu othi, "Hayibo wife. Hayibo umntana abantu." And ke inoba ukhona umuntu othi, "Uyamazi man umuntu wakho." You'd know if ipartner yakho ibibile la moto. So kutheni uzawuvele upakishe uhambe xa kusithiwa ubanjiwe umntana abantu for 8 years.
Maybe it's mitigating circumstances like umhlambi
I don't even like that
ngokuxuthwa
friend.
indlu. Ngokuxuthwa indlu, it put her in danger umhlambi. Ngokumka imoto umhlambi, inconvenience was gone.
Sure.
So now basically what was she holding on for because we might die in prison umhlambi.
I think enye into that I'm taking away from is a story. Ilanto abantu abadala bebehleli beyithetha kuthi uba you are the company that you keep. You know? Masibajongeni abantu esibagcina ecaleni kwethu. Uyabona? Because abafana ke bayathanda uyithetha lento uba hayi awusoze uskime nechomi eyenza into ezithile uthi kanti nawe awuzenzi.
Bathanda ithetha.
Wanina?
Nina bathanda ithetha nje kuthiwe ichomi yakho
Yeah.
ngubhebhi noni?
Bhebha abantwana.
Bebhizwe ngubhebhizi chomi yakho unxelela uba wena uzawuthandana nami qha into yamantombi leyo.
I don't know. It's layered for me, that argument, but I like it
Sure.
most of the time. I like it most of the times, but I, for example, if you don't drink, maybe it's an null and void type of example, but you don't drink, your friends drink.
Nam, I, by the way, nam and believe because a
It's inner
statement.
edge.
But
I'm friends
So
with
wena
people.
ungahamba neetshomi ezi-4 ezingonceda uluntu
sure.
banceda uluntu bobayi-4 ushiyeka wedwa.
Yeah.
Iyenzeka loo nto, guys.
Yeah.
I think in a space where everything is chill, like you don't have anyone in your life unceda uluntu come with abanye abantu abayi-5 nibe nibayi-5 nani, automatically you'll gravitate to this person, and if lo person uyakwazi uthetha nawe grand you will fall. I think that's what I think. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think it depends on situations.
Yeah.
Because most of the times the Americans if you spend time with a millionaire before broke when chances are you will be a millionaire now. You don't believe in that as well?
I don't.
Nam.
Because you know how you spend time with yenzeka apha qho kwilokishi uhambe nabantu abanemali abaphangelayo ni cruise weekend yonke because obviously kuphangelwe during the week. When ugoduke abantu bangene kwizindlu zabo eziright bayotya bacon and egg, wena uthatha imali yothenga ipolo neshop, ayisuleli la
ayosuleli
ayisuleli ube
ifana nabantu ba
boy instead
i-girls zileqa abafana banemali
Yeah.
ayosuleli mntase
Yes.
you need to put in the work unfortunately noba ungaskima
We-
ne-millionaires if
we had this
awusebenzi
conversation that for me it's kind of for me a lot of the times it's kind of dumb to say okay imali nice but imali yomntu yeyakhe because a lot of the times when people give you money or xa ubhejwa they don't beja you enough for you to buy yourself a house
Yeah.
or a car it's just yabo and if they do buy you a car it's in their
awuyazi
name.
imibhejo kanantsika nonantsika imibhejo kasamende no-anelisa
It wasn't enough to buy a car you save you like it's not like akekho umuntu okubhejayo
unantsika uyamazi ukuthi wafumana 50k mos anelisa
like
Ucinga uba
50k
awune-
khaxa in one go not uba icukucezo mane kusithiwa 5
it was just 50k rand.
andithandi xa isebenzisa i-example because then ngoku
sure
ingathi I'm like necessarily speaking to laa mntu or
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying bana does nalona masuthi osamende uthi wafumana 40k ngenye weekend ugaxa so do you think awunofumana polo ngo-40k 50k awunofumana polo ufumana ne-avance ngo-50
but also you need to check uba la mali ifakwa phansi kweziphi i-circumstances
akutsho baby
Umhlawumbi
check your account
uve kaloku ndisithi I am going out with my girls waqonda uba I bet nizayibetha nivuthulule akho nto ibhadlileyo uzawuyenza ngale mali
50k
bakhona guys abantu abayitya imali
how much
bayisulele
can you
entloko
spend how much can you spend in a night
mna
50k can be spent in a night even when you think about it
so you would spend 50k
I'd never my boy never I
It
was
can be
actually
spent
saying
in a
to
night.
uGoth namhlanje uba uthi hey hayi nina ndithi andiyogroovist ke mna kuba uzandiqaphela uzawundibona uba ndiya kwii-events endibooked kuzo okanye uzintle abooked kuzo and ke ngoku nalapho ithetha into yoba I'm not buying alcohol because sibiziwe nansi i-hospitality rider uba mna ndikhuphe yam and spend on alcohol you will never see it happening mntase
yeah but now what I say is the money is not yours and you see it all the time the minute you break up with that person
No.
the person leaves with their money
jonga
kubhejwa omnye umntu ngalo 10k right and you have to either look for another person who's going to do what that other person did
yeah
until you have your own money then it's not yours
Nikusebenze.
because umkile laa mntu where's the 10k now do you have 10k
yo kodwa I feel like mna if ndinofumana umuntu ozamane inamntu wam khaxa ndingayiseva lo
sihleli sisitsho guys sonke yes
Ah,
until
but
ube
you-
nguwe okulaa
What?
situation
you also don't think uzolahlwa ngomso
yeah
And because
Mna-
you're dating that person
Mna-
that person expects you
Sitsho
I
to
feel like
sonke.
ngalahlwa any minute
that person expects you to live a certain lifestyle and now
Njalo.
you went there trying to live a certain lifestyle you can
Hey,
perhaps
Opie,
save
uyapheka namhlanje,
yeah, you
man.
can perhaps save enough money to maybe do londinyana but it's really and I mean really enough money to buy a house unless you're dating Edwin Zodi
yeah
who will give you probably 200k
abasisi bayaphangelayo kuthiwa batheni but baphi I'm just
Bakhona.
asking in general awu kuthiwa le ndoda ndayithengela imoto ndithini baphi
That's the thing.
baku-social media
Ifawunali
qha
igazi layo because even girls
Ewe,
ask
ewe.
la madoda
Niwafumana
anibheja
phi?
ifawunali igazi layo awunayo.
Nyanisela.
Because
zange
it's-
mbona face to face
especially with guys,
intombazana
it's always
athi I
the
bought
most-
this car
I
this
know
guy
them.
a car.
Oh, but I don't know them. They're my mom's friends or
Yeah,
people my
sure.
mom knows. And I know them as well. But with guys, it's always the most random guys. And you're like, wait, why? You know? And maybe perhaps it is a control issue. That thing of this guy's very random. Like, uyambona uba probably easily manipulated. So you think, by the way. They will nisa you in other ways. You can perhaps control who they meet, where they go, but they will find a way. You think we are a controller, but they'll mess you up. Like chair when uzamu controller indawo ezithile ungayazi uba kukho loopholes. Mhlawumbi izotyelwa kwalapha.
Okay, let's stick to the story.
Okay. Yeah, so what is
So-
the story again?
Okay, so it was just password doesn't
I don't like the word I used. Utya. Iyacaca. Ndlenda bafana kakhulu kweveki. Tyelwa.
Eish.
Oh,
It sounds very Done.
So this is basically a story of a betrayal, man, from a friend. Mhlambe set up.
Yo.
Mhlambe friend
Yes.
Had I testify
yambona
against?
ba
Yeah.
okay lo mjita lo
Ungcolele.
uphangela ekomasipala unemoto unendlu
I
unomfazi.
actually have a point that before we digressed about this, and particularly about the friend and what you were saying by Chomi Zako.
Hey.
You should know. I think there are things that you should, even if your friend has toxic habits, mazbe khona izinto ozazi mawuyazi line yechomi yakho.
Okay.
You know, ukwazi ukuthi ukhe wayithetha kumlendo, ukwazi ukuthi no, my friend wouldn't do this. Right? Imagine having a friend eba imoto. Awunovese kuba imoto.
Kuditshana namapolisa
Awunovese
kuthiwa
ke
badubulene
ube imoto.
namapolisa.
Awuqali pha emotweni.
Awunovese kuba imoto. You definitely know your friend is up to funny business and you're still
Sure.
friends with that. And I also know people who do things that just generally, I know them because uchomene noban, and I know that person does that. If I got taxi drugs, so in a way I kind of, you know, because nasendlini ndafundiswa ba, pha kwenza into ethile subakho because wrong time, wrong place.
Yo.
Same way, ukhona nomuntu endimaziyo oba intontoni, right? I'm never comfortable in a car enalamntu. You know, I've even expressed uba, yeah, it's a pity I can't.
Wasinantsika wakho wanantsikwa inantsikile inantsika.
Yayibona.
Iminantsika kodwa kanantsikanga.
Uyayibona, similar to that. It's almost the
Yeah,
same
it's
story.
almost the same story.
It's a pity yena. The story is usemotweni ne.
Same thing,
Moto.
it's just the same
It's the
thing.
same story. Kubiwe
Boyfriend,
le moto, kumiswe
no.
imoto.
Abanjwe
By
bonke.
two abafana, ibiwe ngabafana. The girls don't know anything about it.
Whoa.
It's just that the guys were graceful enough to say they have nothing to do with it. We stole the car. But if babethe hayi no sayiba sonke.
Lo mntana nguye lo
Uye lo
unxeleleyo.
unixeleleyo wayo scouter.
Bafethu.
Belezawuxoxa bathi
Ngongenamntu ngo.
Eh?
Okay. So moving right along. So I saw a video on TikTok. 80 Samson, the Kabawai warrior,
in the Bible, guy with the long hair.
Sure.
he slept with. Okay,
Delilah.
so Delilah is an enemy. They were fighting. Ngumlungu and ngumxhosa. So you
Romeo
are
and
at
Juliet.
war. Yeah. So you guys are at war. Wena uthandana no-OB. Kodwa uyayazi ba you both at war. Ma-Philistine namandondolo
Sure.
nama-Israelites.
Andile.
Yeah. And then they walala kuthiwa ke wamcheba. But uthi ke ngoku lo mntana that ukucheba iBhayibhile creative God because kuthiwa ne-apire
Ne-apile
it was not
lika
in
Adam and Eve. Sure.
kuthiwa wachetywa ukucheba kuthiwa apparently ke so now uthi lo mntana when you sleep with someone as a man, like when you have sex, testosterone iba low
Okay.
because emdishile yabo so thinoba ngafika isela lithina ufika
The
utyhafi
hair was
lungena
Awusenawo
euphoric
namandla.
for
yeah
sex.
so yeah so now uthi iyafana noba iboxer xa sayodlala imatch kuthiwa do not sleep with umntu sizokuba grand testosterone high
Sure.
kuthiwa i-soccer players xa zawudlala mhlawumbi ifinal loo nto majita ke masiyeni kwicamp even kwiinto ezinintsi man kuba kwicamp because they are preparing for something
Sure.
so do we think irongo nalo the way
So the question is it true that celibacy, not having sex or abstaining from sex, is good for you than actually having sex? So is celibacy for men good than actually having sex? And do we believe that
in
celibacy?
like when we put it like that ne we are closet for men it's only for
Okay,
me
celibacy.
yeah
Okay.
so mna qha bendenze nomzekelo wobana xa sowohlukene nomntu uqala business ideas ezininzi so nathi nina hayi break up it's not because you're not having
Yeah.
sex yabo so now I'm asking you guys what do you think besenivile la video xa nqona inde for idlala
Sure.
do you think wena
Celibacy is better
yeah
and it improves the
kuthiwa
quality
faster
of your
for the
life.
most part kuye kuthiwa fast xa usithi ufuna umsebenzi kuthiwa fast don't sleep with anyone
Yeah.
don't.
Nam into endla ngoyibona on social media every time abantu bathi stay away from sex, especially if ikhona le goal uyisetileyo that you're trying to achieve. Stay away from sex. Ndizama ucinga ke ngoku from a personal POV.
Or bawakhe was stay away from it kwathi.
When then
Izinto zenzeka.
suddenly izinto zam amaphupha fezek.
You're staying away now.
I am, yeah. But
Hey, izinto zenzeka ku podcast.
uthini bra? Mna into endiyiqaphelayo ne andiyazi noba ndizawuthi it's because I'm not in an intimate relationship with someone, but I've realized uba now that ndingekho kwi-relationship ndi-productive, like ndenza
more time to
izinto
pour yourself and
yabona
pour
I'm
things.
pouring into myself like hey sana, because umzekelo ngoku bendi kwi-relationship bendi-MIA guys kwiinto ezininzi, and ke ngoku ndiyazibona now that ndi-single uba ndenza izinto ezindonwabisayo, uyabona. I'm spending time with family, I'm spending more time with friends. Izinto endandithanda uzenza back in the days ndiyazenza kwakhona, and I feel like even kwi-moves zam career wise ikhona money shift that's going on, uyabona. And andiyazi noba ndizawuthi it's because andikho, you know, or mhlawumbi ndinexesha eli enough for myself. And andikho sure guys, nyani nyanisweni mna uba i-sex iyasibhidisa umhlawumbi. I don't know. What's your take?
It's well. I don't believe in that.
Sure.
I don't think celibacy is better than having sex. I think it's mostly a belief thing. You really are what you think and what you believe in. Because hey, what a joke! It sounds like I'm defending sex. Maybe I am.
Okay.
I think it is a belief thing, right? If
Sure.
you believe abstaining from sex makes you improves the quality of your life, then you do that. It's
Sure.
the same thing for people who are religious. If I'm not a Christian, I'm not going faster, right? Because it's something that's mostly done by Christians, right? And because they believe in it and they are convinced, even in their minds, that if I fast, then it will open doors.
But what about
It's khona into endiyicingayo guys ngoku.
What about i-boxer? So don't sleep. Because nyani drain energy.
Inoba ke yona ke leyo iproviwe by science.
Yeah. Because nesoka kuthethwa the same thing.
I'm not sure because I will tell you something about science. No, I can't answer biology.
Sure.
I know that sex is recommended like a whole lot.
Okay.
In where? In not kundo.
It improves your sleep. One, xa ugqiba ukwenza sex, I think it's even proven in real life. Xa ugqiba ukwenza sex, ulala tuze, especially this good sex that you enjoyed. So sex improves the quality of your sleep.
Just don't use sexist dialogue.
Okay.
Just say it.
It improves, right? Endorphins, you release a lot of those.
Yeah.
Uba happy. If you have it regularly, you become a happy person. Ilando kutwa, you see it a lot. Mood. It changes your mood. It shows a lot even in movies. What's wrong with you? The glow.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're having sex. That's what sex does for you. You cut your vascular system. What's good for your heart, for your nhliziyo. Iyayiti, pesa, pesa. Yeah, right?
Expect.
Yeah. So it's even good because you exercise, right? And you lose some fat nyana, yabo, and if regularly, then obviously uzaba fit. You may not be thin or like slender. You won't lose weight, but you will be like
Fit.
at least fit. So I think sex scientifically has been proven to be good for you. I don't know about celibacy. It's a mental
kodwa
thing.
guys,
It's a thing
Ndicinga-
that people believe because it's not scientifically proven that if you don't have sex,
Kodwa ndiyafuna
will be
se-admit
still-
uba iyakwazi ukudistracta because cinga abafana babeziplayer back in high school thanda amantombi.
If you're having sex regularly,
I don't think it's
Ne?
about having sex regularly.
Okay.
And also, it's a different case in high school because, again, we are not advised to have sex in high school. Our brains are not developed enough yet, right? We
Okay,
are
wait, let me
minors.
ask, do you know a player? Do you know a player?
Kodwa nakwaba ontanga benu. Bakhona abantu bomba yo
ones that
Ontanga benu?
okucinga ngamantombi
It's
bra
the ones
like
that sleep around.
Awusithi ontanga benu uthini?
like obhuti abathe dlundlu.
It's the ones that sleep
Awukhomba
around.
kum awusithi ontanga benu uthini?
I mean obhuti abathe, you know, like
Abantu abadala.
Oh.
abantu
No, I
abadala.
just wanted to ask, Bana, do you know someone onamantombi amaninzi wena?
I do.
Are they making progress with their life?
I mean, it depends on progress. They have jobs. They get paid at the end of the day. Banemoto, banezindlu, and
Okay.
bayafeba. So that's, for a lot of people, that's progress, right?
Do you know any?
Even our biggest stars, some of them sleep around and they are there.
No, I can't think of anyone.
Abantu otshona nawo?
Hayi suka ziyalamba izandla.
No, abantu.
Dlala Shem.
Kuthiwa abantu. Abantu, you know, it doesn't have to be your friend.
Your circle.
Maybe you
Just
have an ex
if
that
you-
cheated a lot, that used to like, fuck around.
Where you are progress.
Ophi? Hayi mphini.
So maybe 50-50 ke u50 wako wena uthi no 50 wako uthi.
I do kind of agree that I don't think sleeping around is good for anyone. And by sleeping around, I'm not saying having sex whenever you like it, but that thing of sleeping with multiple
Hey.
people, like that like when
Ngathi kunento uyileqayo
once
mntakabawo.
off, you know, I'm not even talking about regular intercourse with someone you are having casual sex with. No,
Sure.
that thing of sleeping around,
Hey.
I think it is a lot. The same thing with cheating. I think when you cheat, just nje, the admin of cheating, it will obviously show in your life. That's why women will say, "Ndiyayibona indoda yami xa icheata," noba
Sure.
nje it's because of just
can just
ihlobaniyo, pattern, yabo. So it does disturb your patterns. However, if you are in a relationship with one person,
I can.
nase high school umuntu wayijola nomuntu oyi-one,
Njalo.
uyayazi umuntu wakhe bazawudibana after school. But the minute ufuna uba sisibethu, bra
Wow.
uxakekile.
So 50-50.
Mna, I feel like they will asoze mana abantu bathi i-professionals zithi do not sleep. Asoze kuthiwe abantu i-athletes nje just noba uzayobaleka kuthiwe do not sleep around. Kanti it's dumbfounded.
Yeah.
Yabo, I feel like
But I can argue that perhaps they do have sex because we don't know. We don't know.
but
I-athletes
kaloku why into okanye eyi-requirement ba ungakulinge kudibane nentoni masambenzisene ekhempini unematch ke ngomso don't sleep.
Because it's
Even no Conor McGregor kwenye
No, no.
documentary yakhe uthi kuchiwo pha bana I'm
Can I
not going to
share
touch my
why
wife.
I think that's because when you've had sex, let's say you had good fire sex, bane flashbacks, ingqondo iya relaxa.
Uva amadolo eba weak.
Yes, umzimba urelaxa kakhulu, like sorry.
uyandika wena.
Umzimba urelaxa kakhulu nguwe lowo uhappy une-endorphins u-overwhelmed baleni etakataka awufocusanga because you're too happy, like ukubone i-happiness iyakwenza la nto yoba ube loose awuna udlala igame, you're just playing uhappy. Mhlawumbi bafuna ube serious, bafuna ube tense,
Oba ulu-fact check
bafuna-
bakutheni ku-advise ba stay away from sex.
but it's
Yeah.
not scientifically proven. I can bet that.
Don't say that because you don't know.
I know. 100 rand.
Okay. What question did you have when?
My question was, is it scientifically proven? And I said no.
Man, kaloku to move on.
Oh, I wanted to know what your views are on things that you feel strongly about. It could be about anything. It could be a view on politics. It could be a view on sex. It could be a view on friendship, a view on, I did say politics, on education, on life, on people. Just a view, something that you think about. I'm even asking you this.
Sure.
Perhaps write on the comment section, what are your views? Your views on anything and everything. There's nothing that's off limits. It could be about music, could be about artists, or a specific artist. It could be about America. It could be about South Africa. It could be about, again, politics, education, life, relationships, religion. Ithini imbono yakho, like la nto uqonda yo ndiqinile ngale nto, and I'm very convicted. It could be Jesus saves. Maybe that's your view. Yeah, I just want to find out what people think about. I'm interested in kind of knowing, what are some of the things that go through people's minds, and yeah, doesn't have to be deep.
Sure.
It could be very simple, hlambi.
For me, with friendships, I believe you can
Uh-huh. Sakhangela. I-article is about right.
Andikhangela article esaba right ndibhale nje into eyi-1 but zininzi andisayenzi lawo ikaGoogle ngomvela ndibhale phaa ku-AI
Like AI. Programmed.
hey ufuna into
No, but generally, that's why I advise on nasesikolweni wrong u-ChatGPT, no matter. I've tried to use it.
We can't fact check.
Go to Google and look at articles that are written a lot of the times by professionals. This is AI.
So lena for example iyachaza i-belief then ichaza science bithini na.
Okay.
So uburongo nje kuzibekwa wena ngophikisa.
Is it okay? And the picky.
So
what was your question? What was the question you put?
Why athletes or any boxer are advised not to have sex before and
sure.
don't
Was that the question?
Yeah. And then go to the advice for boxers or athletes to avoid sex before fight or competition is largely based on tradition.
Okay.
Anecdotal belief and psychological theories rather than strong scientific evidence.
Sure.
It supports you.
That's what I said.
Here are the main reasons often cited.
Okay.
Number 1, aggression and testosterone. I believe sexual activity, particularly ejaculation, might lower testosterone levels temporarily, which could reduce aggression, strength, and competitive drive. It is science. Studies show that testosterone levels return to baseline quickly after sex within a day or less. There's no consistent evidence that sex significantly affects performance for most people.
So I agree with that.
It's wrong almost than the testosterone. Science iti ungaphinde
ube grand
kuthiwa energy depletion. I believe sex might drain your energy, reduce your stamina needed for peak athlete performance.
Sure.
It is science. Normal sexual activity is not physically demanding enough to cause measurable fatigue in trained athletes, especially if it occurs a day or more before the competition.
I actually agree.
Makes sense.
Mental focus and discipline. I believe avoiding sex can enhance focus, willpower, and mental toughness. Coaches may view abstinence as a sign of dedication and control. Psychological
Dedication
factor.
and control. I like that.
This belief may create a placebo effect. So basically, if you believe the abstinence is not because sleep and distraction. I believe sex could lead to poorer sleep quality or distract athletes from pre-match mental preparation. Practical reason, late night sex or being preoccupied with relationships might interfere with rest, recovery, and focus. So what the research, okay, I must say bottom line because avoiding sex before a match is more about personal preference, superstition, and mental readiness than psychological necessity. Some athletes feel sharper when they abstain, while others perform just as well or better when relaxed and confident, sex or no sex.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, I just wanted to really be sure.
What in?
Science engekhoyo.
Aye.
Sex benefits for like scientifically proven. Now, sex offers numerous scientifically proven health benefits, including reduced stress, improved heart health, pain relief, pain relief,
No.
pain relief, Panado.
Guys,
pain relief,
sex-
physical pain okanye
I don't think ikhona into eyawuze yodlula
And
ubuthongo
enhanced sleep.
boyazi uba akho mntu ukwenza isibhanxa somewhere out there. Oh, lala.
awubazi bobuthongo mos.
It can also contribute to a stronger immune system, better mental health, and even potentially lower risks of certain
But
conditions.
stress islanana kodwa yenziwa every day.
prostate cancer. If you have sex, so prostate. Okay, not so the
Sure.
chances of
Apha every kuqhuma inantsika nangoku apha kodwa
Every
i-stress
other
isininzi
day, but
ne-depression.
niyagowa still. Hayi
but
suka.
it's not relationship stress.
It's what stress?
It's financial stress.
Man obi. Bakhona abantu banemali nje kodwa bayagowa still.
Lendo kuthiwa black. Okay, sorry, I don't want to say black woman. Kuthiwa you work too hard. You just need to get laid. Like just get laid is about right. Uyabo naxa udikwe namamakho
Yeah, bayibhatale.
Na-
Uqansi balokubhatala.
naxa udikwe ngumama
Ulimele uqansi.
udikwe ngumuntu endlini mhlawumbe udikwe ngumakazi wakho kanye ngisister wakho yo man yo yintoni wena na kawuhambe man yoba busy kanye yo at home you're like, oh, can my dad get a girlfriend or my mom get a boyfriend? My mom, because my mom might be like, but you're like, just get a boyfriend, this is all right, because the idea is when you have sex, you become happier. That's why I say the superstition, because I do think it's a superstition. The superstition in Xhosa families, in particular, ziti. Once umntana wenza sex bayambona because of the change in pattern or habit.
Sure.
Umntana wayengathanda uhlamba. Yabo ebe ngumntana ngoku but
Ke wa clean ngokuli late.
Because unamakhwenkwe kuthiwa unamakhwenkwe sikubona
Ukutheni bemaninzi nje. Ungathi uqala soqala amakhwenkwe amaninzi.
Oh. Yabazi abazala lo isibaqa.
unamakhwenkwe obviously it's like unenkwenkwe but ke
Yeah.
To make it sound bad.
sound to i-drama banamaxhosa like amaxhosa ne-drama.
One time already wafika ndifake i-green tea nantsikeni. Wafika ndisithi estovini.
Hayi.
Endikhwanyaza. Ngoledi phambi kwam.
Hayibo.
Ndayibuza impilo. Yo, sisine-drug addict apha endlini.
That's
boy.
Xhosa parents.
Nobody wawucinga ntoni? Wawucinga ntoni?
No, I wanted to taste. I've always just thought I would be a smoker, not a drinker.
Sure.
I've always just ngabantu quiet, ngabantu
Curious.
What have you smoked?
can I try
Sang.
dalahlwa pofsan lahlwa na find out.
Okay.
Sukele library effort. Dabe ndiqhatha ku shop emthatha intel swipe 20 years Marlboro.
Washa.
Nento ecoshwayo mandawe ingathi mint. Thenga 20 yalawe. So usuka from Payana to my, because I was private accommodation, the light yokuqala. Amantombazana kanjani?
Ha.
Bese
Siyawina
nayigqibe
girls.
yokuqala ngingekafiki.
Siyawina girls.
Boom the best 20 years dive in one night and akwazi ulala. Ngahlala phandle ubusuku bonke and o2. Marlboro. Grand 20 years time ngihlala okonhleli ngo2 nqonelana kanjani into wona
Usamcinga kodwa uchayile.
Yilona ndiyitshoyo ba it doesn't uzikhoboza ngoba uhamba ulala but still usamcingana xa ugqityolalwa noba
Ingahlambi during
Hey.
uzikhoboza usele uthenga utywala obuduru ubuzincinci ngabo usaba
Umcinge worse ke ngoku xa uthe futhi.
ukwenza izinto kuba ungafuna ucinga uchitha utyiwe because
Yeah.
iza kulinda ingcinga it
That's why I think people are a bit more creative and a bit more they want to improve their lives so badly then
Xa begowa ne?
yes xa ugowa.
Sure.
Because I think xa ugowa, two things, either drastic deterioration or drastic improvement. Never in between, right?
awubikho nje
Yes.
oh senjeya entle
Siyayimbona
Yeah.
umehluko. It's either ugowa uphalale
okanye
oko wahlukana
ugowa
nobani
upwards.
Hey.
okanye ugowa upwards. There's never
so bantu bagowayo gowani ngelihlobo upwards
drastic, yes.
yeah
so win
because you
lot.
can the thing is ne ingqondo i subconscious mind ayazi nyani ayibazi ubuxoki So if we are goa, yonke la energy unayo okanye whatever it is, la drive
La pain.
ikwenza uba mawuthini. If we uyisebenzisa to something positive, i-subconscious ayazi ba
Sure.
suppose ba receive lento as something to focus on. Kuthiwa if you convince yourself ba unemali, i-subconscious ayazi ba unayo imali. Conscious mind le yazi yoba I'm in a broke state. So now if ingqondo yakho believes ba unemali, automatically i-subconscious ikwenza uchinche behavior when it comes to imali. Ingabi ngathi into ezawuphinda ifike ilindwendwe, into eba welcome. That's why kuthiwa imali ithanda abantu abanemali. I-subconscious iyayazi bana kusekhaya imali into endinayo, into endiqhelileyo than umuntu obetha nge-conscious usoloko ecinga uba yo izaphinda imkele 10 rand.
Can I also just say, unrelated, but please read. Yeah, but if you don't like reading, the least you could do is like listen to podcasts that are not necessarily aligned with your interests
Sure.
or the things that you like. I think it's very nice and like important to kind of get a different outlook on life. It does a thing, kuwe man, you know, like Lando of maybe understanding why some people think a certain way or why the next person does things a certain way. It gives you an outlook that you just going through life and having your own experience may not necessarily always give you. And you become a bit more aware even about yourself because you read something and you realize that thing is trash, right? And you therefore don't want to be trashy or you don't want to think trashy, but you kind of get your views shaped by the things that you read. Sometimes you don't absorb it and you agree with it, but ikupanje is scales to say, okay, Lena, no.
Yeah.
Inqonda yazi lento. Yabo. Because I don't have a skill ayazi nale. But because
Oh,
yeah,
yes,
but because
yes.
you've read,
Yo, yeah,
you can
discredit the OP. This one
We are
time.
no,
Okay, but one time, John, this one time,
Ngiyakubona
OP.
because I think-
Wafika Moses Kalwi games uzenza pa.
Okay.
What pana? You can't be inventing all these games. You must have been seeing them somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay, but I wanted to ask this just to move
but did
on.
you invent the games?
No, I didn't. No, but since make sure this does not come from you.
Ayikho original
But
But okay, wait. I just want
No,
to
but
ask.
kuyakuncoma shame.
There's Ukwesta, there's UKO.
Okay.
Yabo? So I wanted to ask,
KO.
because we were fighting with Omnyu Bolt Driver. When it comes to a love song, let's say Ngus Kinda Love, no Ngiyazifela Ngawe. Which one do you take?
Hayi ndithanda ungiyazifela ngawe. Shame.
So Ngiyazifela now. So Kwesta one.
Nice shame.
When it comes to these songs, they both wrote for Ubig Zulu.
Okay.
They were responding. Omnye ngazwe ngikhwandam, omnye engu ntoni sesihlangu. Dilibele igama lesi kodwa i-artwork yayisesihlangu. Okay. Also you won't know then.
Yeah, it will be difficult. But generally, KO.
KO nam benza hamba naye
Generally,
kule.
KO.
Clear ne?
Yeah.
Okay.
From a musical genius perspective.
So nithini no
Ngathi ujane
Kwesta?
sipheleleyo man
No, we're not
uQuesta
saying-
man. Unazo uthi songs uQuesta?
You.
No.
Ne?
You.
Kwesta is a good.
You don't
I'm
know
saying
Kwesta.
Kwesta is good.
And kuthiwa ke ba
But
kade
KO.
aba bantu
No.
ngabathuli.
Sorry to do this to you. KO or Kwesta?
Buza yonke into kum.
Buza ku, who do you think and why?
I think Kwesta.
Best artist, why?
Ne?
Eh? No, not the artist. Artist just will be KO because of tear gas. Like he's urged it for Unansika ngolo hlobo. And also hits zake zi cultural changes. Also hits that stay in this spectrum.
Yeah.
So for example, Nansika,
Set.
not even said, started with Karakara.
Sure.
Karakara was a hit that changed the
the
hip hop
game.
altogether. Even
That
said
influenced.
infused piano with hip hop and Afro beats. So ungumdonjal artistically.
Sure.
KO takes it artistical, but rap wise, you cannot do that to Questa. Questa?
Why? Because for me, it's not even about. It's not even about.
No, I'm not also.
It's versatility for me. It's versatility.
Okay, wait, open. I
You
want
expect
to.
the same thing from Questa.
Sure.
You expect the same thing from Questa.
What's the thing that you expect?
The way, I don't know how to explain the way he raps. I think it's the way he raps, even the delivery in the songs. There's like, it's probably a bar that could be like, oh my God, that bar. But like,
Delivery.
delivery is the same. Nobu yaqotha, nobu khalezile. It's just,
Yeah, it's Questa.
Bra,
It's just-
Chonga, Mamela.
I don't want to say meh because he's not
Okay,
meh.
Chong.
Sure.
Uquesta. Okay, so KO. It hits us like Mklambi. It's cast business May 5.
Okay, oh.
Yeah. Said
I
Karakara.
hate that you do that because the minute you do that, ingqondo
Ewe.
freeze.
Because now ndivele ndalibala yonke
Iyafreeza.
ngocatalog ka-KO.
You are, but andilibelanga because I love them
Andiyazi
both.
nekaQuesta.
It's just that.
That's the thing. If unganibuza
Sure.
Okay, so
It would freeze.
Karakara.
Search.
Karakara. Nansika.
I don't agree.
You don't-
Okay, sorry. Not songs that I love. Hits.
Ingxaki with hits as well. Uzawubethwa uQuesta.
Where? Because
Because,
KO is that good. It's not longevity. KO is that good.
KO yabona ngothetha ngeverse
Uthena uthanda ntoni kuQuesta?
jonga ne Questa wasiqala from the Cool Kid.
Yeah.
From then wasi one I won't know them kahle ne, but uQuesta can go kwingoma ka AKA. And then afike ingxaki manje no KO uyayenza lona. Mur.
Yeah, no.
Cause I thought Run Jones ngoka KO mna ndava ngawo ba ngoka
Feature.
Nansika. So uyazibulala
Uyafeaturisha.
feature,
He's too
feature.
No
good,
God's
guys.
will.
Yeah.
God's will but he's that good. He's
Hi guys,
actually
with
that
KO.
good.
So maybe let's give it to KO.
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah.
Good.
I used to
Yeah.
underestimate KO. I don't know, man. Like, he's good.
But
He's
when it
good.
comes to album, overall album, Udaka 1, not Daka 2, that disc 1, not disc 2, an album that you can listen to without any skips. Zonga Zongo, nobody's 20
For me,
something.
Skanda, what's that album he released just after?
Skanda Republic.
Bro.
Yeah.
Bro. No, that is an album. Like,
Yeah.
it was a different kind of, I don't know. Because I also feel like
Yeah.
even there,
Mniku KO.
he had
it's fine.
created the sound
fine.
with Ukesh Time, ne? He created the sound that everyone
Even
expected.
Questa
And as soon as he
had
went
also-
to his solo album, Uskanda, he gave us a different, it was like Panzula.
Questa una album no Nansika no Kapsa the Small.
No, man.
Questa yo
KO takes, for me,
Questa man and
because even the
man.
songs he's written for people, you know, it's like,
Okay.
KO is good.
Okay.
And it
Shem.
sucks that a lot of the time, these rappers are not like pit against each other. It's always against KO. And there's maybe ngati weak link okanye because he's
KO.
yeah. Like
Kubana
when,
Blueprint kaloku so funeke simane
Inqawa
sisithi kuyi.
KO inqawa yabo.
No, he's
And
very
it wasn't ukuphikisa kulondo ne. It's just that I was thinking to myself bana I get the same energy ku KO na ku Questa. Like it's like the same person. It's just that Omnye Mhlambi had more years in the game than Omnye. Otherwise
I love
if they were
single yoqala ka Casper the flavor.
Casper
Questa.
Sorry, I'm Casper.
and I'm
Okay,
Questa
hip-hop,
Mr.
he said.
We'll take that. I think Ngoma and Masing I am now. I'm Questa Mr. Cool.
I was in
Take
primary
that.
school.
Yeah. 209.
I got the name and must hit it.
What was the primary now? 209?
Ndizazelaphi na guys ndandiphi?
She was
Yeah,
in
nanse
primary.
yeah, nanse.
Andifuna 9 ngo 209.
Ugqiba undibuza xa
Oh,
ndithetha
sorry,
uthini xa ndisithi
okay.
ama-bras ngaka.
More. So I wanted to also yes, Hashem KO I must
is-
KO.
Yeah, he's a legend, man.
Yeah, but you see how we did it. We did not say you are putting men against each other. But if the naughty Zahara Nomsaki, ngarongo, you are comparing women, don't. But I think
But it is a thing, shame.
they represent the same.
But I can even answer that. Bambalwa bra abantu abafana no Zahara. Like Zahara was a Brenda Fassie. Zahara was a Brenda Fassie. There's no Msaki album that nobody yayikhutshwa ngo 2012. I love Msaki with all of my heart. She's my favorite artist. Everyone knows this about me. Like, you know, kukumdu engamaziyo and wish you happy birthday ngengoma kaMsaki because she knows just how much I love Msaki. But what Zahara did cannot, like, Brenda Fassie wethu. She was our very own Brenda Fassie.
I agree.
With now Zahara,
I
we'll
agree.
take it.
Zahara.
I think you can try and pit her. Even Tyler, for me, I'm so sorry, you know, she just didn't have that superstardom. I think it was taken away from her, that thing of being a star. And I think it happens a lot with artists whose baggage kind of comes into the public. And maybe black artists, black women artists that are flawed and where there are flaws, you know, people that drink or do not care for reputation. Istardom sakho siyaxuthwa.
Yeah.
But what Zahara did, I'm trying to
Last
think
one.
who else.
Uzonke. Uzonke Dikala no Simi.
Oh, bro.
Zonke any day.
Love you for that.
What when uthini
No,
wena?
confirm, like, yeah, umculo, la love, umculo. Tricky.
Hayi uzonke for me guys.
Zonke ne?
I think my chat with Zonke is an artist, like a performer. I think she's probably the better, you know, singer.
Yeah.
If we could judge her by that. Phindi benzima because umculo abamenzayo. But if besithe Zahara, uZahara bezaba
Kaloku Zahara igoat yena. Xa
goat,
uthenga uBrenda
uyansi-
ugqibile.
So I think, Simi. I wish he said Simi and Amifaku.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Simi and
usimi no
Amifaku.
Ami.
So
Because that
basithe
makes
ingxaki
sense.
basithe uZonke noZolani Mahola. uZonke will win it because the catalog is not the same. uZolani Mahola, we only know her from
That
Freshly
album,
Ground
Freshly
and
Ground.
that album
Yeah.
and that
Song,
yeah,
those two songs.
those
do,
two songs,
yeah.
3 songs
Sure.
maybe. Yeah, well, Kando Zonke has produced, and the thing is with
Zonke Msaki, perhaps. Because I can't even think of a Simi album at the moment.
Okay.
I can't think of.
Is it Tugela Fairy?
I'll see me.
Yeah.
Okay, masumfaka no Amefaku ke usimi.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Amifaku
proper.
for
that
me.
way. Amefaku.
And maybe we can say Zonke and who?
Guys necinga uba
Lira.
Amifaku wagqibela
Zonke
ukhupha
and Lira.
i-album yakhe ngaleya
Zonke
yokuqala
and Lira.
azange waphinda wakhupha okuhamba ngee-features.
Yeah, it's still
Zonke and
relevant.
Lira.
Yo.
You.
Okay.
Nyansi.
Yes.
Zonke and Lira.
Yes.
You. And ngumuntu omnye uPresta no KO kumuzonke no Lira.
Bane-aura bobayi-two like.
It's you.
Yeah.
Okay, uthini wena?
Uzonke takes it for mna guys.
Kuba umXhosa.
I don't think so. Umzekelo uLira
Lira
ndazi
did a
mna.
lot. You know the famous song.
Something inside so strong
Neipen, I wanna feel good every day.
I wanna feel on my face.
Hamba ungazu.
You, there was a time Garila unkhumbuza lo ngoma.
Yeyileyo.
Ikhona ngoma le ngoma. Hamba sithandwa sa. But hamba ndizoba right ungishile
noma ungahamba ngeke ndilile. Okay.
Yo! And then kukhona nalangoma.
Yazifela zininzi man, you just have to think about them.
Mina
I will
ngiyazifela.
rise again, I will rise.
Ngeke uthona le sukundi mosheli ixesha. You don't know that one?
Okay, ndiyayazi.
That's
we can't do this to Lira.
Ingoma zikaLira. You have to kind of play them to think about them.
More.
Okay, Lira. I think bendikusliphela but
Yeah, Lira did a thing there for R&B jazz-ish vibes.
So what are we saying?
I mean, Lira kind of took South African
International.
international, but also Tyler is
doing
did
the same
that.
thing.
Setha ngolira nozonke.
When the team, look, I'm trying to use Lira to kind of frame my argument.
Sure.
Okay.
But
Lira
not
Miriam
enough to say.
Makeba man. Miriam Makeba Lira.
Sure.
No offense to Nancy
Yes.
song. But like when you do that ngoma, just kumbula man, there was a time Galira, like there was a time gone by.
The same way, I also think there's a time for Zonke.
Oh,
Ushekile
obvious.
ngoku nabantu abamthandayo ixesha.
Yeah.
Sure.
The same thing with Lira. It's like wafika wathandwa wenza laa nto yenziwa nguzonke and then washeka kwenhliziyo zabamthandayo.
Shekinah, Elaine.
Shekinah. Elaine gave us 2-3 hits.
You album yonke for Nino. You can't
No,
do that to
that-
Shekinah.
okay.
Your man to Elaine.
Because
Elaine.
Shekinah
EP
gave us an
yonke.
album. La album got different
So
in my own.
yeah. So they for each other.
Yo,
baby,
guys.
I'm my
Yeah.
own shade, baby.
Too good.
Yeah.
Too good.
That's two
Living
songs.
in the right.
And
So
then-
she's given us an album,
Okay.
showing us that she can do this.
Left with 4 minutes.
Yeah. Wafika even with ingoma wayifike ngayo, yagrand. Even after.
Oh, let's take it back to the beach.
So I think
Please, mister.
Okay.
and she maintained it.
No more.
Kanga so to say she's still Shekinah.
Yeah.
We can't say the same about Elaine. I think she's still
Yeah.
trying to.
Shekinah
but
angavusa enye way ngoku.
Yeah.
Wow, wafeaturisha no Nasty C, langoma.
I
So we've
won't
already seen.
let the money mess with my vision.
Yes. So
Come on.
Shekinah is good.
Okay.
Even no Miriam Makeba singambekela indaka yakhe. It's like
Ba Miriam Makeba ndanga yakhe.
Letha Mbuli.
Miriam Makeba will take it.
No,
Letha Mbulu waziwa ngabantu bomculo.
Sure.
Now we're talking stardom.
We're
We're not talking
stardom.
music. Oh, we're talking stardom.
Kaloku sensitsho Miriam Makeba has transcended to a point where afikelele nakuwe.
But I also do feel like it happens a lot that kubekho laa mntu akafikelelanga kum zimbala nje ingoma endizithandayo kuye. It's Pata Pat, it's the famous one with Letha Mbuli. You listen to an entire album, her albums featuring Kefa Simenya, and you will fall in love. It's not the famous songs that were in a way handpicked to be famous. It's like, ooh, Yvonne Chaka Chaka, Mkomboti, and then what? But she was the princess of Africa. And Mkomboti and those few songs. Can we really say?
Okay, can you go for just as closing remarks? I want to ask umntu ogqibela wa local.
Okay.
But I want to check. Qinile Yohane. Leyo naye I'm sure iyadanyaza. Yeah. I want to check. I just want to check kumntu wa local man. You don't watch boxing?
No.
Okay.
I'm
okay.
biased
Let's
where
do
boxing is concerned.
Okay. Let's do with jazz no Jika.
DJing.
Yeah.
Andizange ndamamela sets ezininzi zika DJ
Jika.
Jika, yeah.
I was about to say, Jiga, I don't think he is as a big DJ. I think he's
Sure.
really centered
businessman.
himself as an MC as well.
Sure.
So when you think of Jiga, you think MCing.
Yes.
Think
Jansen.
right, and DJing ingathi naxa umbona DJ uye wothuka uqonde yes kuthiwa ngu-DJ Jiga, but also kukhona radio phaya wayesemdantsane FM, one of the best.
Yeah.
So
Masithi,
it's not a thing, he doesn't gig.
Masithi jazz and ligwa.
But Noligwa Ngogo is not as consistent.
Iska was yeah.
So sikhangela abantu
Works as jazz in the DJing space.
kubani kanene?
More.
Jazz is
How
difficult.
we need
That
it.
is the king.
Yeah, and also it's difficult to kind of, because jazz is a gqom guy. Like when we think of jazz, abantu bacinga igqom. He's like ucingwa as a gqom DJ. I'm not saying he's limited to that.
Yeah.
You think about him, when you say him jazz, in my mind I think of gqom, and I don't think there's anyone who can compete with.
Ooh,
jazz.
Uyopa, no Rizzy.
Ooh.
But you know,
Ooh, ooh,
it's difficult, man.
Aye.
ooh, Uyopa, no Rizzy. Yo, you must young Rizzy, Wolf, you must young Rizzy.
It's difficult. It's difficult because now you have to think of sets. And I'm not even thinking a technicality. I'm thinking about a set I enjoyed more.
Sure.
It's
Wako wakhona kwindawo babakhobo ithukuyo.
not by two.
No, like, okay, you've attended Nansika whereby ku DJ Uyopa.
Yes,
and then
yes. So, and I've attended more Yoba.
And as a
Yes.
So
when we team
I'm
get
biased.
back-
I'm thinking Yoba United.
I'm
Yoba
thinking Reezy.
Yo,
I'm
I
biased.
was now.
Winner?
Yo, 50-50 like. There was a
Ne?
time where when I was starting out kule year photograph 2016 birthday ka Blomzit at Bucks. We went there, Yopa was there, Betty said yakhe. Akaqala mos uBlomzit nondondo no Black Coffee basendleleni. Betty said yakhe more.
Yeah.
And I think there was a time where I don't know if it's the lights or a carnival kokubetho Rizzy. Whoa!
Pamban.
More.
Hayi,
So I
bafethu.
don't know. It's 50-50.
Yeah.
Yaqala ku KO no Questa ku
Yeah, yaqala ukwenzeka le.
And then
And ngu 50-50 because
Yeah.
naye uthi
now
Yeah.
Also this is a tie liqhina
Yeah.
Then Yanga no Khanyisa MC
Kompu yanga kanene?
Yaris.
Oh, Mapogel.
Khanyisa, lovely
No,
Khanyisa.
lovely Khanya.
Yes.
Hayi bo ngizokhetha kulo mntana takaperere mos.
Ngakhetha uYaris.
Siyangichaza istyle sakhe so MC uyanga.
Yaris ku.
I've never lovely Kanye. I just know her from like social
Sure.
media. I've never. I think she could be the best person for that.
Oh,
Because
she's an MC.
And MC is the type of gig.
Andifuna ukuyenza ngaye.
Hayi ningandifaki into zakuthi. Zawina nje.
Agreed. I actually agree.
So uyanga ne.
Yeah, I enjoy styles kayanga so MC.
The thing
Uye
is
no lovely
He's very
Kanye.
they were both there and they were
Engaging.
co-dondoning.
when kanene?
Papa Mpakamenpi.
Oh.
So
When out?
like 50-50 because they were both there and they made it enjoyable.
Sure. Basebenza kahle together.
Yeah. So it's like nguying no yang kubo.
Sure.
If they could host as ways akhona bangagrand. Fana no Mafa no bangana.
I'm boring, guys.
Why?
Wena?
Yeah.
Kuba?
Like, I can kind of count the number of times I've been to Groove or events, and even like the type of events. Because when
Abana check uzinhle nabana but
I think
akekho.
MCs,
Akekho umuntu onomphitha against uzinhle.
Uzinhle igoat eyodwa in everything.
Yeah.
I think
Uyazihambela nje kulane yakhe.
she's our greatest export as the Eastern Cape and Danzane in particular.
Yeah.
There are a lot of great people that come from Danzane. I mean, Umsagi, but Uzinhle is
In Lake of
because she stayed here. She made it here,
Yeah.
right? She made like Uzinhle. No man, we can clap. She made it here.
Asikhethi kuba ukhona.
Yes.
Bye face yam.
No.
No. We've even said this once in
Yeah.
the podcast that she made it here. She
Aye,
made it
shame.
here.
And nayo intentional ngaloo
Yeah,
nto
she
uba
made it here.
ndifuna ukuhlala apha.
Okay, last one. Ekoneni.
Mvote loko.
Jeff.
Koneni.
Nam ndizawuthi ekoneni because ndakhe ndalibala i-handbag yam.
What Jeff?
Ekoneni.
Oh, yaphinde yabuya.
Ndabuya izinto zam zonke zisaphelele kodwa hayi masiyibonile somewhere jonga phaa over the counter ndiwekhangela ngengomso ekuseni kodwa hayi nansi ekoneni hayi shem
Because
they'll
when I
always be
think-
famous.
When I think Jeff, I don't think Jeff. I think
Crime.
no.
Eh.
I don't think. Oh my God.
Fuck. Okay. No.
I think hang easy. I think
Sure.
hang easy Sundays. Right.
I was gonna ask
That
based on the
when I
show.
wanna
Okay,
go-
which show can we?
I wanna go for hang easy.
Hang easy.
Kone hey abantu
Nayo
perform
yodwa.
ye hang easy. But ekoneni. Do you wanna go
Any
groove? Do you wanna go
day.
chill?
Sure.
Like ekoneni. Noma kho Sunday
So kwalento uba
wathi.
xa kho loo game benza sure uba
Yeah.
we're comfortable we can enjoy the game and
No?
then it turns
and
into
also
groove.
it's like in a way
lifestyle ekoneni guys ekoneni lifestyle for real.
Not that groove neke bene decorum but
Sure.
inayo man
Inayo laa nto.
Paula susu kwa Jeff ingathi ngasike khala igqom qwa ngathi wonke umsabe abetha amadonga
Sorry. La Grato. La Grato.
Grazia.
Le Grazia.
I've been to La Grotto only
Somewhere Grazia.
I've been
Plenty.
yena ke ndaye yo khani iqaleni andiyazi I don't know.
okay aesthetics will win
La Grato.
I like Rato but I like Grazia
I
mean-
Nam, I think I love the view.
the view
Oh.
the energy the food and
Inayo
also
nayo nyani laa nto, eh.
affordability it's a bit affordable compared to La Grotto
yes.
and the food is actually delicious
Zaza and Ecofin.
no
Azange
terrible
ndaye Zaza.
example
Izaza imeyod.
yeah
Izaza singadibanisa nanto.
News Cafe or
Yeah,
Ozandawo.
don't enye, don't le Sanuk. Zaza and Sanuk. Oh,
Sanuk
not
for
the
me.
same maybe
Yeah,
you
it's
could
not
say
the same.
Sanook and Salt
Oh, Zana Nandi has salt.
or other restaurants but
Oh, I
Izaza ifana nantoni azange ndaye yazi.
Azuro
Ike yatrenda for ukutya kwayo ingxaki and ke mna ke xa ndiye
I
phuma
went
guys
there.
ifuna
I
ukutya
actually
ukutya
went with
okumnandi
Amahle,
ne
P. Azur.
my ex.
Azur.
and
Yes. Ezaza.
Ezaza.
Yeah.
So Izaza yephi Ezaza neAzur. Okanye cafe ingxaki man kuyaphefonywa nophefonywa Zaza like so
Nase Azuro.
oh ewe ke.
Yeah.
Yeah,
no,
masingasingaye cafe masiya Azur.
hayi azoro guys.
Azur ku. Wena.
same. Even
Aesthetics, the food.
the food.
Nabantu ke abaya pha naleyo guys funeke siyijonge into. Xa usiya kule
I think la
ndawo.
way ise Hemingways yavalwayo.
Azuro feels elitist. I don't enjoy vibes zapha. Ingathi the minute you walk in, you are like just the people in there. You are looked at for who you are, how you're presenting yourself in terms
Sure.
of unxibe and some ingathi ujonga price tag. Ingathi it's
Azuro.
ewe, you know.
Oh Ezaza kungena nabani na.
Ezaza, there's
Yeah,
no
and ibalulekile
expectation.
guys loo nto.
It
It
doesn't
doesn't
come
make
off.
me feel safe. Indawo
Izazi.
ezifana no, indawo ezifana neAzuro ngazibhaqa uspendile not because you want to spend but
But
because
peer
because-
press.
Sure.
uziva ingathi I don't like it. It feels very elitist.
And
Ingathi
umhlawumbi
kuya-
iyabasebenzela bona as a business
Yeah.
model.
Kaloku obvious nje.
Yeah, ingathi
Kwafolwa
kuya
le ise
the
Hemingways yayinto
black
egama la.
elite.
Le ise luvala ngoku man. Le ise Hemingways.
Oh my gym
Oh
bar.
my.
Kwavalwa yona bonke abantu bayapha eAzur.
Yeah.
Ngoku hayi oh my ibizo ba
nyhani
right
injalo,
nezaza yona. Xa siclash because kuyaphefonywa kuyezona macala.
Yeah. I'm not sure what Zaza was going for something there, especially when it launched. You know, it had that premium elegancy vibe to it.
Okay.
I don't know, man.
Then
this-
it changed.
yeah, and a cultural thing to it. But okay, we're going here for like rooftop vibes. If there was a rooftop Or anywhere in East London, yabo. It was giving that, but now andiyazi. And I don't know why it's because of his pictures. Like pictures photo pang kapanda says that
Okay.
Jonga ndinombono umuntu obukele lento nepicture ke ngoku.
No, la majita photo lwandle man.
Eish, bafethu.
Don't do that. How much time now?
No, but like no, but yes, actually pictures a lot of the time kondo into le buyifota apha na ingathi photo like abana xesha lo touch up or to
Alikho nyani.
So that's why it is ziyaxweba, but obviously uyambona umuntu izaza. I don't know how to
KFC, McDonald's.
Yabona ke sawujudge kuthiwa sinazo nemali zotya kwezindawo.
Eish.
KFC and McDonald's.
Singenazo
KFC
nyani.
and Hungry Lion.
Okay, yeah. KFC and Hungry Lion.
That's given, bro.
KFC.
The chicken licking zonke
Yeah.
KFC. KFC indoor.
Tiny wings as the chicken licking, but if ungathiwa khetha between ozayitya for KFC indoda man.
Yeah.
Mhlabeni ibhura vetyani KFC.
Sure. And then McDonald's buzamfanisa nantoni nje bomkhupha nje.
Steers, Burger King.
Yeah.
No, McDonald's will take it ku Steers.
Yeah, bo McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Usteers.
McDonald's.
Usteers.
Let's we're sitting a fries. Okay, sorry.
Not for ungola, for ungolela
Hayi, imagine.
Ufana utheni lo ungcolela nansi.
Kids meal.
Iphethe yakhona ingathi
Ngathi cardboard.
Ayisuka isana McDonald's will taste like nothing.
I don't agree, bruh.
Let's sitting a fries. Ku fries ngoba wina ku fries. Ansabuza nina ke kwenze ba.
Yes.
Fries.
Still, because McDonald's ufuna uzitye in 2 minutes.
But to McDonald's, McDonald's, I think uthengisa fries. Osteers bathengisa but double chips. Uyawina.
Yoze mnandi sana double chips.
Fries zakwa McDonald's shame.
Nah, Steers.
Burger.
Steers. That
Steers.
sauce and that patty, bro.
Ice cream. Milkshakes yonke la nto yakhona.
KFC. Oh, Oreo McFlurry beats everything. It better than a crash.
Yeah, unyanisini.
That Merc thingy, better than a crash.
So
Hayi
maybe-
bayayithatha ice cream shem.
Perhaps Burger King ukhona.
nobody landing ngenayo nansi. Nobody landing hayi Burger King ngamcela ngebheka kuBurger King 10 out of 10 Burger
Hayi,
yabo.
iyabaleka.
Makayeke uBurger ungamfaki kwezi equations.
Iyabaleka.
Ku 10 daya
Mama,
kwa Burger
ziyalwa.
King danikwa enye way pha daya 79 rand.
I take it back. I actually take it back.
What?
I take it back.
No.
I take it back.
What do you take back?
I enjoy burgers at McDonald's more than I enjoy Air Steers. The only thing I enjoy here rib burger kwa Steers. Because shame ribs zabo
Very
bazenza.
tasty.
Welcome to
It's the
McFeast.
sauce. McFeast bra cookie
guys.
chicken. Yima cookie Mac chicken
Yes,
feast.
got a pounder.
It's spicy.
Guys,
Mac
McDonald's
chicken feast.
Steers comment
No,
section.
siku Big Mac.
Yeah.
Ay.
Big Mac, bro.
No.
Cookie double Big Macs before as a
Nah.
no,
guys.
nyansi lutane.
No.
Burgers at McDonald's.
I think there's versatility ku McDonald's.
Usteers, it's the
Usteers.
sauce. It's the sauce.
Usteers ungasibona sikarandwa phathi uya ngolesithathu.
Hayi wena uthenge wrong ukuthenga leya ngolesithathu.
If
Zikwazi?
Usteers.
Esbetere.
Makayekela sauce benza iburger ngela hlobo zenziwa ngayi McDonald's yaqhwitsha bra. La sauce leyana inyama
Let's
rich.
close. Yo,
Ikhumbuza inyama
nomcimile
yesendlini,
lezwe.
marinate. It would be so funny.
It's fine. Closing remarks.
Ingqondo ikokile.
What are his closing remarks?
Kokile.
Steers over McD's any day.
McDonald's, you are one of a kind.
Yes, McDonald's, but
like-
Tengsi Nazi property. Like it's a property in London.
Really?
Wow.
Like what they and yes, and I'll
McDonald's ntswampu manendo affordable. Baduro Steers for
Affordable.
That's my former twin.
No, but Steers is expensive. Because think about it, Steers is very expensive.
Ube uzawuhlutha mntazi.
Uyahlutha na McDonald's.
You are actually McDonald's.
Uyahlutha
KFC
za
ungahlutisi.
fries.
You packet for one khonyazi.
Yeah.
Sephelile.
Like,
Sephelile.
No, KFC fanele
bayayibaxanya.
Coke.
that packet for one. Awufuna umuntu olambileyo.
McDonald's is quite affordable.
I don't think so.
Is it dure burgers akwa Steers? Cha une bad rep because you always chow there. Right?
Of course,
Banazo
so it's good to
neburgers
get
29 rand. Endo.
So it's good to get because it's for immediate consumption.
Mnandi man. Ilando ifuna kuburger.
Kuba ngawuluma iMcFeast ukuthi gqila wengathi petrol.
Inoba umuntu osibukeleyo
Iyastata,
ukuthi yo azilambile
kanti
ngokwezi conversations. Ay.
Okay, let's close.
Dunked
Yo.
wings are unbeaten. What you guys did, KFC, when
Yeah.
you thought of those dunked wings, bayazama unikopa. It's you. You take jonga. Noba ne 50 rand yokugqibela. KFC, you can take it. No, I love KFC.
That's your closing remark.
No.
Closing remark.
Okay, I think I've been thinking about self-care a lot lately, and
Orchid spa.
No. Orchid, by the way.
Orchid.
Yes.
Nithetha ngantoni?
Bewine ihamba yakwa Orchid.
Really? Nsayibaweli.
Hemba.
Utheni? Obubhukishi or besando yakwispa la ngungu.
And ndiyathanda uba uyilungisile
I didn't
lento
book.
eligama because ukhona umuntu ebenze i-promo video
Really?
for that place walibiza wrong igama ndathi.
Yeah, the orchid.
Nani
yeah,
na approve kodwa guys ke
Yeah,
ngoku.
no.
But ke-
Oh, Bandu. Oh, so that means it was not you alone then.
Maybe, perhaps, but yeah, it was a brand thing, shame. Yeah, but
Themba
so
ngakuthatha wena.
Unco famous.
they will.
Yeah, they
The
must
point
hit you
they will
up,
even
man.
touch the podcast as well.
You are
point-
no.
no.
Zandlakhisa massage.
No, na lo mntu bendama like benyuba pha. Wanyuba nenyawo zabantu.
Ndingagqothwa mna pha.
Benyuba.
Ndingagqothwa.
There's a video of konke belarha brangqonde hayi.
Andizolunga mna phayana bra. No.
Kukhona nabanye abantu.
Ngofanele bengilothe i-content masisawahana zonke. Ingxaki immediately kuthiwa mandilale ngosisu kuthiwe tshum sendinyumbazekile kunyukwe yo ndilahla isidala. So it's not my thing. That's why nezaweni ngazincanywa siyandilahisa iblow ntoni
Into?
iyandilahisa.
Blowjob.
Andilahisa naweni. Serious andilahisa naweni.
Thina hayibo ndingapakisha ngoduke what the fuck?
That's why ndingayincanywa ayingomntu wayo.
Ulaka ntoni ulaka.
Eh?
Ucinga uba wenza ntoni?
Yeah. ke-
Like so uthini wena ke ngoku ujonga phaa okanye ujonga
Awu
phezulu?
childish wena.
What uthini wena? So like
Mna ndilahliswa yi-sex generally. Just
Exactly.
afuneka uyicinge
Uyicinge.
Xa uyicinga.
that zone. But even when I'm in that zone, man.
Yeah, guys.
That's very childish, but
No.
it's fair and I
Did
get.
you know? Wait, money.
I didn't believe.
Ubani wenzani? Yo. That's why I don't want to think, yabo. Bengaske babe kusiya ngokwami umculo be loud so that I get lost in the moment. Immediately when ubethe sawenza zabantu abadala, quiet, silent. Wa, cinga too much ngenza sikhathi bo. Hayi wena uthini?
Yo uzawuphendula sana after le episode ku girlfriend wakho.
Shit.
I
No, I'm just playing. Yeah, I'm just playing.
You're not.
And it's gqibeleni abantu they don't even watch until the end.
Yo.
Yeah.
Ngizathatha clips.
Oh. Awukamisa
very
imnyama, it's fine. Ngiphelile. Closing remarks masivaleni.
My closing
Enhle
remarks, self-care doesn't have to be this expensive thing that you do. It doesn't always have to be you going to a restaurant that everyone will post on their TikTok or Instagram, or the restaurant that everyone is going to. It can look like a simple thing such as cooking stiff papa if uthanda stiff papa nekhaphetshu. Personally, stiff papa nekhaphetshu hlambo namathumbu, that's for me is making myself feel good. So basically self-care is you taking care of yourself in a way that feels right for you in that moment. It doesn't have to be you buying those expensive skincare brands.
Yeah.
Uqonda i-costly kushiya ungenamali. When you actually need that money, it doesn't have to be that. You know, it doesn't have to be posting like ascribing to the expensive way of self-care. That's what I think gets us in trouble, because we've been given a standard self-care gababandu that we like on social media, because they get flowers for self-care, because they go out to expensive restaurants for self-care, because they put on those masks that are super expensive for self-care. You feel like it's that. When ungowasemdantsane usafune kukhwele neteksi, une stress ngoku siya ku self-care uyabala ba yo mntase. Like you're trying to have a chill day, but you're already stressing about the money behind it. So it can be simple. Take a walk, sleep, listen to music to enjoy, not just as a thing you ambisixesha, but ukhuhlale. Yabo, maybe uncokole nefamily yakhe yanispanela lately. For self-care, chilling with my mom refuels me. Ndiyathanda ucofa ifone acofe yakhe. She's funny a lot of the time, so I laugh at that. And it makes me feel good. And my nieces as well, you know, they do that to me. So and that is why ndibathanda, because ndiyakwazi ukuthi undikile cela ugoduke.
Ndangabathanda mina ngoku ndandingekabi naye, ndizobathanda ngosuke ndibe nomntana. Ndangabathanda abantwana mina.
Chief, ubathandiswa yini?
Yeah, I think so. Ndiyabathanda ngoku.
What are your closing remarks?
I think
no, closing remarks maybe 30 minutes when.
That was true.
I think it speaks on lento usando ithetha mntu says self-care, relationship sokuzilibala. Do not forget yourself. Prioritize yourself. Enza izinto ozithandayo iba nobomi outside of a relationship yakho, you know. So I just want to remind abantu phandle apha into yoba you are as important. You know, so now ungazilibala
as the relationship.
Exactly.
Even more important, actually.
Exactly. Ungaze uzilibala.
Ungabi narcissistic.
Yeah. If you show up every day, you never miss a lucky day. This has been the Nafel Podcast, Players Edition. We're out.
God, this felt so nice.
This podcast has been proudly brought to you by Leptronic Solutions, recorded at the Block Studios. And if you want to use our facilities, get in touch with us on all our social media platforms, Leptronic Solutions. Email us admin@leptronicsol.com.